Feels like I'm skydiving when I text you. Rose petals on the floor outside your bedroom. Sunshine whenever you smile.
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Darpan and what we are going to do today is मैं अपनी 2019 Dominar की top speed करने वाला हूँ on Yamuna Expressway. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. So let's go.
Beautiful sunset view around here. I'm sorry for the bad audio quality because I have to buy a new microphone for my SJ cam. That's just the beginning, guys. Come on, be supportive, huh? So what else? Alright, let's go and try to do the top speed of 2019 Dominar. Try करते हैं कि अगर यहाँ पे एक्सप्रेसवे पे खाली जगह मिले तो let's go for it. I don't recommend everyone to do this and try this. I'm wearing proper gears and I'm on an empty highway, so please, I recommend do not try this. Alright, recording is on.
Ladies and gentlemen, am I totally screwed or what?
Alright, so the top speed I clocked on my new Dominar 2019 is 176 km/h. And trust me guys, the expressway was empty and I was wearing proper gears. I don't recommend anyone to go out there and try that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also share my channel and subscribe to it. Thank you so much.